Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this
si Johnny na yung kapamahan ng Quran ng asawa. Ikaw naman, Johnny, magbasa nito ay ito pamahan sa incident ng iyong pag-iipan ng asawa. Nakahanda ba kami ng unang sa inyong pinangalunan, sa simbahan at sa bayan para sa akumain ang mga sublime na Panginoon sa inyong tunay kapal upang palakihin ang mabuting mamamayang Kristiyano? Opo. Pinamahal ko Ronel at Jolie sa Diyos ang nakita sa kailang mahalin ninyo ang pagsasama ninyo. Sumasakay ang mga Ronel, nag-asawa si Jolie na nagkasunod sa batas at hindi na sa beta. Ating simbahan. Opo. Kung puso ang pangalong sa ating sarili ng nag-asawa, opo. Halaga ng balikat sa sarili ng natin ng buhay ng asawa. Opo. Ikaw naman, Jolie, sumasakay naman ang asawa sa pinagkakaroon ngayon. Isunod sa labas ng pinangalang simbahan. Opo. Kung puso ang pangalong sa ating sarili ng nag-asawa, halaga ng balikat sa sarili ng buhay ng asawa.
Jolie, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, iniipan kita para sa hirap at ginawa, sa dusa at ligaya. Gawayan at natatangan ka mundo ng aking buhay.
Sa Diyos at sa Kanya, hindi pa kita nila ang asawa, sa hirap at ginawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw ay aking bilang aking asawa.
Bilang kapatid ng simbahan, ibig ang pinakasasabi ng tawag puso ng iyong pinagdiwas sa kawalang mga Espiritu Santo. Kapatawag ko, mas masarap ang ibig ng mga lingkod, klase na Ronel at Jolie. Wala ko sila sa pagkakuhay sila sa kasag ng aras sa ikapagkakaroon ng may kapagkakulan sa Kristo na ang Panginoon. Ayaw ang mahal na sa pagkakamit ng mga lingkod, klase na Ronel at Jolie. Hindi na batang sa susunod ng mga sasingin ng kawang sa susunod sa pag-ibig at panahali ng tatat sa pawang ng Kristo na ang Panginoon.
Jolie, kailangan natin kita pagkakaksilan. Suot mo at pakiingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at karabahan.
Ronel, kailan na hindi ka pagkakasilan, isuot mo at makaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pagmamahal.
galit. Kailan naman hindi kita mapabayaan. Hindi kinakaya ko sa'yo. Itong aras, siyang tanda ng aking pagkalinga, ng kapakanan, at ng ating pamilya.
Tinatanggap ko ito. Nangangako ako, magiging natuwa sa wastong pagkain ng ating kabuhayan.
Bilang pagbati sa ating mga kapatid na sila Romel at Johnny at Loretta sa pagiging sa ating Asamblea ng Kristiyano. Sa lubuhan mo namin sila ng Sigago, Malakang.
Sa dahil sa ito, tinatawagan ang bill sponsor para itulong ang bill.
Sir, sa balikat. Sa balikat.
Next sports sponsor. Next year sponsor.
Tanong mo pa kayo ah. Sabihin mo guys. Tanong mo pala sa'yo. Umalis na yung pare. Okay lang. Raman.
Romel, you may now kiss your bride.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our first pair. We have Miss Rosewine Leus and Jairo Katulay. Palakpakan everybody! On, we have Francesca Nicole Espinas and Jeremiah Mark Dung. Come on, ladies. Palakpakan naman natin sila. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite everyone to please stand up kayo po tayong lahat as we welcome the reason why we are all gathered for this wonderful celebration. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please rise. And I am inviting everyone to please hold your table napkin up and high. Kung meron po kayong table napkin sa harapan ninyo, i-wave po natin yan as we witness the grand entrance of Mr. and Mrs. Guevara. So ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, with your warmest and loudest applause, put your hands together for Mr. and Mrs. Ronel and Ann Guevara!
Your eyes on me, I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the count of 3, everyone will say mabuhay ang bagong kasal in 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much. And again, to palakpakan na may sigawan! Maraming salamat. So, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara, tayo muna kayong dalawa dyan. Let's have a quick interview. Ayan, parang kinakabahan pa rin kayong dalawa. Ayan, alam nyo bang Mr. and Mrs. na kayo? Mag-asawa na po kayo, sir and ma'am. Sir, kamusta? Ano pong nararamdaman nila?
Ayos naman.
Masaya po ba sila, sir? Masayang masaya. How about Ann? Hi, Ann. Kinakabahan ka pa rin ba, Ann? Anong pakiramdam? Mrs. Guevara ka na, kamusta? Ayos lang. Palakpakan naman natin, medyo nahihiya yung couple natin. But of course, sila na po ay officially Mr. and Mrs. You may now take your seats, Ann and Ronel. And now, ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to our late launch for this celebration, please do allow me to introduce myself. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jay, the incredible host, and I will be joining you up until the end of our celebration. Now, I'd like to introduce our guests for this afternoon. And once you hear your name, ma'am and sir, could you please stand up and wave to the crowd? So first, I'd like to introduce the beautiful parents of the bride and the groom. Let's begin with the parents of the groom. We have Mommy Grace Guevara and Daddy Romualdo Guevara. Palakpakan po natin sila. Mommy and Daddy, tayo po tayo. Please wave to the crowd. Kaway kayo, ma'am and sir. Yun. Okay, maraming salamat, Mommy and Daddy. Let's now move on to the parents of the bride. We have Mr. Joel Huertas and Jonaline Obosa. Okay, tayo, sir. Ayan, busy siguro si ma'am. Palakpakan po natin, parents of the bride. And now, I'd like to introduce, of course, our principal sponsors. Let's begin with our beautiful ninang. First, we have Mrs. Leia Kawashima. Palakpakan po natin si ma'am. Hello po, good afternoon. Next, we have Shermay Villaverde. Hello po, ma'am. Good afternoon. Clap your hands for Mrs. Joy Manuel Daroy. Aba, maraming fans, isang barangay. Okay. Next, we have Mrs. Catherine Emberian. Next, we have Mrs. Benita Aribe. Palakpakan po natin si Ninang. Magandang tanghali po. Joining us this afternoon, we have Ronilda Guevara. And finally, ladies and gents, to complete our Ninang, we have Mrs. Florenda Chua. Our ninongs, we have Mr. Erwin Guevara. Again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga
Ronel
umattend dito.
and
Anne Guevara.
I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, I am inviting everyone to please go ahead and share your blessings to Mr. and Mrs. Guevara. Meron po tayo mga pins over here.
Stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love, yeah, to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this, darling. darling, you look perfect tonight.
Once again, guys, palakpakan natin Mr. and Mrs. Guevara. Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, we are commencing the first ever cake slicing activity of the newlyweds. So, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara, at the count of 3, you will slice together your beautiful wedding cake. Okay, so on my cue, ready in 1, 2, and 3.
Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso.
Alright, the cake has been cut. Palakpakan natin si Anne and Ronel.
At tamis at
Thank you so much, guys. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara, pwede na kayong kumuha ng peraso ng inyong wedding cake. Go ahead.
Ikaw na nga ang bawat panaginip ko.
Of course, ng kanyang wife, ng cake. So, sir, kung gano'n nyo kamahal si Miss Anne, ganun kalaking slice yung ibibigay niyo po sa kanya. Okay? So after ni Sir, si Anne yung next. And again, Anne, kung gano'n mo kamahal si Ronel, ganun kalaking slice yung ibibigay mo rin sa kanya. Okay? At the count of 3, Ronel, ready? In 1, 2, and 3. Ayun, mahal na mahal. Palakpakan naman natin si Ronel, guys. This time, it's your turn, Anne. Okay, mukhang gaganti si Anne.
Ikaw na nga ito.
Ready at the count of 3 in 1, 2, and 3. Again, palakpakan natin, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara.
Kailanman, nasaan may ito
So
ang
tingin muna tayo kay Hans. And this time, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara, at the count of 3, you will... couple. So, ladies and gents, kasama natin si Miss Anna Marie Guevara. So this time, ma'am, of course, we would like to hear your message and advice for Anne and Ronel. And kung meron kayong gustong i-share na story about kung paano nabuo yung love story nila, kung ano yung naging role ninyo sa relationship nila, ikaw pa yung takbuhan pag nag-aaway silang dalawa, or ikaw nakaka-witness lahat ng mga pangyayari sa ganap nilang dalawa. Okay? So go ahead, Miss Anna, your message and advice.
Message ko sa inyo is,
Breaking us
long patient sa bawat isa. Kasi yung kapatid ko, pasaway talaga. Stay strong. Ano pa ba? Hindi, wala na akong sabi. Ano ba yun?
Palakpakan naman natin si Anna Marie. Ma'am, dito po muna tayo. Alright, so ma'am, could you please hold your wine glasses? Okay. So on behalf of our best man and maid of honor, so I am inviting everyone. Of course, we would like to make a toast for Anne and for Ronel. So this time, samahan niyo po kami kung may hawak kayong wine glasses or glass. Itaas po natin yan, ladies and gentlemen. Let's propose a toast for Anne and Ronel. And at the count of 3, everyone will say cheers. Ready? In 1, 2, and 3. Cheers, everyone. Go ahead, Miss Anna Marie. Please drink your wine.
breeze keep me warm in your love, and then softly leave.
Thank you so much. Again, you may now go back to your seat. So this time, let's now proceed to our Dove release activity.
Is your love I really need.
Alright, so for our next activity, ito po ay nagsisignify na prosperity for the newlyweds. So can we please hand over the doves for the newlyweds?
When they all should let us be, we belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest.
Again, guys, our photo booth is still open for everyone. Go ahead and grab your souvenir picture.
And you may not think that I care for you when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and
Alright, so this time, please hold your doves, Anne and Ronel. Okay, sige. Go ahead. There you go. Okay, so i-acting lang natin na ihagis natin yung doves natin. Okay, ready? In 1, 2, and 3. Alright, palakpakan natin. Bawal ka lang tumingin sa likod para hindi mo ma-target kung sino yung gusto mong alisin. Ready? Pagbilang ko ng 3, ihagis mo na sa likod. Ready? 1, 2, and go! Okay? Okay, kay ma'am na punta, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, Ann, 3 na lang yung tatanggalin natin. Ready, and go! Okay? Ma'am, tanggal ka na. Alright, girls, pass the bouquet. O, di ba? Para nasa party lang tayo. Hi, what's your name? Akin, bawal ihagis. Ipapasa lang natin. Ayan, parang kinakabahan na silang tatlo. Nakangiti lang, pero kinakabahan. Sino kaya ang huling hahawak sa bouquet natin? Alright, we have a winner. Palakpakan natin si ma'am. Thank you for joining, girls. Ma'am, what's your name again?
Julian.
Julian, samahan natin si Ann. Picture mo na kayong dalawa. Sir Ronel, ang tawag sa activity na to ay garter retrieval. So sa lahat po ng guests po natin na merong ginagawa sa likod, guys, kailangan yung ma-witness tong next activity na to dahil minsan nyo lang makitang gagawin ni Ronel to. Okay, so sir, si Ann lang po yung titignan natin dahil siya yung magde-decide kung pasado or hindi yung gagawin ninyo. Miss Ann, huwag tayong bibigay agad, pahirapan natin si Sir, okay? Sir Ronel, kailangan mong ipakita yung pinakamalupit mong sexy dance. Okay? Sir, wala akong kinalaman dito. Yun lang po yung nakasulat sa program. Kailangan lang po natin sundin. Mula dito, sir, lalapitan natin si ma'am. Sexy dance, dahan-dahan. Kung meron kayong gustong tanggalin, sir, okay lang. Hindi namin kayo pipigilan. Pag hindi nagustuhan ni ma'am, babalik kayo dito sa harap, sasayaw po kayo ulit. Again, para hindi naman kabahan si groom, guys, palakpakan natin si Ronel. Come on! DJ, bigyan mo kami ng isang pangmalakas ng sexy dance dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, our groom, Ronel. Ay, sir, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag natin pwersahin si Miss Ann. Sir, nasa na yung sayaw? Parang namimilit ah. Teka lang, ulitin natin. Miss Ann, pasado na ba yon? Pasado ba, Miss Ann? Yes or no? Oh no. Sir, dito tayo, sir. Sir, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag kang maglakad ng mabilis, okay? Isipin niyo, sir, si Ann lang yung nandito, wala kami. Again, sir, dahan-dahan lang yung lakad niyo. Habang naglalakad, sir, sumasayaw. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our groom, Ronel. Alright! Ayan na. Para nakikiusap na kay Anna. Tanongin na natin si Ann. Ann, pasado na daw. Palakpakan naman natin. Feeling ko meron pang itotodo eh. Nagpipigil lang si Sir Ronel eh. Alright, Sir Ronel, pwede na kayong lumuhod in front of your wife. Sige po. I believe nakalagay sa right leg yung garter mo. Miss Ann, tama ba? Ayan, nasa loob yung garter. Nasa left side. Okay, sige sir, luhod tayo. Sa harap ni Miss Ann. So, kukunin mo lang yung garter by using your hand. Sige po, sir. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds. Go! Sir, dahan-dahan lang ha. Baka mamatanggal natin. Okay, palakpakan naman natin. This time, sir, picture po muna tayo. Sir, pangalan. Alvin. Albert. Emil.
Okay.
Rocky. Justin. Edmond. Sir Stephen and... Okay. Mga sir, alam nyo ba yung budots na tugtog? Okay. Sir, patutugtogin natin yung budots. Kung sino yung hindi sumayaw sa inyo, yun yung pipiliin ko para sa garter game natin. So, kailangan sumayaw, ha? Okay? Guys, palakpakan naman natin yung mga boys natin para mapasayaw natin sila. Again, guys, tignan nyo kung sino yung hindi sasayaw dahil yun yung mapipili natin for our garter game. So mga sir, I believe ready na si DJ natin. DJ, drop the music! And go! Come on, gentlemen! May hindi sumasayaw. Tuloy-tuloy lang mga sir, tuloy-tuloy lang. Come on! Si sir na nasa gitna, ayaw sumaya, nagpipigil. Okay guys, we have a winner. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir. Dahil si Sir ang pinaka hindi sumayaw, siya ang panalo. Mga Sir, balik na sa upuan. Maraming salamat. Ang gagaling niyong sumayaw. Parang mga nakainom lang. Sir, ano pong pangalan? Sir Rocky. Sir Rocky, dahil ikaw yung hindi sumayaw, meron kang special na gagawin ngayong gabi na to. Sir, kanina, meron akong pinagawa kay Sir Ronel. Sir, alam kong kaya mong talunin yung ginawa niyang sayaw kanina. Sir, kung hindi niyo kayang tapatan, higitan natin yung ginawang sexy dance ni Sir. Sir, si Miss Julian yung magde-decide kung pasado or hindi. Miss Julian, pahirapan si Sir, ha? Huwag kang bibigay. Sir, dahan-dahan, papalapit kay Julian, sexy dance po. Guys, palakpakan natin si Rocky para di naman siya mashy. Come on. DJ, drop the music. Come on, Rocky. Lapitan natin si Julian. Come on, guys. Palakpakan natin si Rocky. Sir, lalapitan si Julian, ha? Come on, sir. Sir, kaya mo yan. Wala kami dito, sir. Come on, Sir Rocky. Sir Rocky, nandito ka ba, Sir Rocky? Okay, out music, out music. Okay, Sir. Sir, kaya mo yan. Wala, nahihiya talaga. O sige, hanap tayo ng substitute ni Sir Rocky. So may napili na ako, yung kaninang naka-brown na t-shirt. Sir Rocky, thank you so much po, Yung magaling magbudots yung nasa gitna kanina, nasa na yun? Ayun si Sir. Halika dito, Sir. Ayan, lapit kayo dito, Sir. Siyempre, sayang naman, hindi masasayawan si Miss Julian. Kailangan natin yung magaling sumayaw. Okay. Sir, anong pangalan nila? Sir Emil. Sir Emil. Sexy dance, Sir. Papalapit kay Miss Julian, ha? Okay? Sir, wala ka nang magagawa. Ikaw ang tagapagmana ni Rocky. Okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Emil. Music, please. Come on, Sir Emil. Sexy dance. Papalapit kay Miss Julian. Oy! Ginagalingan. Inikutan si Julian. Tanungin muna natin, Julian, pasado na ba yon? Yes or no? Pasado na. Okay, palakpakan natin si Emil, guys. Come on. Sir Emil, pakihawakan yung garter. Dinaan tayo sa ikot-ikot ni Sir Emil, eh. Sir Emil, pwede na kayong lumuhod sa harap ni Miss Julian. Sir, ilalagay lang natin yan. Ayan po sa left leg ni Miss Julian dahil saktong-sakto, nakadekwatro na si ma'am. Sir, ilagay po natin yung garter sa loob ng leg niya. Sige po. Tapos, sir, dahil napakagaling mong sumayaw, may twist tayo. Hihilain nyo yung garter pataas gamit ang inyong mga lips. Okay? Sir, 10 seconds lang, ha? Magbibilang na ako. Pakikagat yung garter. Kagat. Ready? And go! 10. Yes, pataas po. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Palakpakan naman natin Emil and Julian. This time, samahan nyo kami dito sa harap. Sila po yung parents ng ating newlyweds. So this time, I'd like to invite first the parents of the groom. So nandito pa po ba si Mommy Grace Guevara and si Daddy Romualdo Guevara. Palakpakan po natin si Mommy at si Daddy. Nasaan na nawala? Tinakasan tayo. Mukhang nakaramdam. Magme-message kasi sila. Okay, this time, let's now move on to the parents of the bride. Nandito pa po ba si Mommy Jonaline Obosa and Daddy Joel Huertas. Ayan po, Mommy and Daddy, samahan po natin sila dito sa harap. Ayun, si Sir. Palakpakan natin si Daddy. Daddy Joel, samahan nyo kami. Magandang gabi po, Sir. Dito tayo sa tabi ni Miss Anne. Ayan, nandyan pa po ba si Mommy? Ayun, nandyan pa daw po. Palapitin po natin si Ma'am. Mommy Jonaline. Ayun.
I didn't have
O, mommy, samahan natin si Daddy Joel dito sa harap. Come on.
and then out of the blue,
Hello po.
God gave me you to show me what's
Dito,
real.
ma'am, kailangan kasama kayo.
There's more to
Yun.
life than just time.
Ladies and gentlemen, kasama natin, of course, parents of the bride. And of course, parents na rin ni Sir Ronel. This time, Mommy Jonaline and Daddy Joel, ano po muna yung gusto nyo sabihin sa mga taong, of course, nagbigay ng time and effort sa napakahalagang araw na to. Sinamahan po sila at nagstay hanggang sa end ng ating celebration. Bago nyo po ibigay yung message nyo po kay Anne and Ronel. Mami, kayo uunahin ko. Sige po. Ayun po. Mami Jonaline, come on. Samahan natin sila dito sa harap for a while. Just Guevara, tayo muna kayong dalawa. So ito na yung moment kung saan sasabihin niyo lahat ng pasasalamat ninyo sa mga taong tumulong to make this celebration possible. So this time, Miss Anne, kayo po mauuna. Palakpakan natin si Ronel and si Anne. Medyo speechless silang dalawa. And this time, syempre hindi ko palalampasin yung chance. Of course, we would like to hear your message to each other. Okay, so this time gusto ko magkaharap kayong dalawa and sasabihin niyo yung message ninyo sa isa't isa. So dahil nauna kanina si Anne and Sir Ronel, kayo una magbibigay ng message na po sa asawa ninyo. Okay, go ahead, sir. This time to end this wonderful celebration, of course, I am inviting everyone to please get your spoon or fork. Kung meron pa po kayo, patunugin po natin yung wine glasses ninyo, guys, para marinig po yung request ng mga guests na nagstay up until the end of our celebration. This time, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara, we would like to witness your official kiss dito sa ating wedding reception to make this celebration more exciting and memorable. So ito ay hindi basta smack lang ha. 10 seconds to. Okay? Magbibilang ako 10 to 1. So ready? And go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palakpakan natin, Mr. and Mrs. Guevara! Again guys, maraming salamat for coming and gracing this wonderful celebration. I believe very happy si Anne and si Ronel kahit medyo parang kinakabahan pa rin sila until now. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga umattend for making this event more exciting and memorable. Once again, this is your host Jay saying thank you so much for being here. God bless everyone. See you all again next time. And lahat po ng mga gusto pa pong magpa-picture together with Ronel and Ann, lapitan na lang po natin sila guys. And I believe yung photo booth area po natin is still open for everyone. Thank you so much.